people have told me, they gave me reasons. South African guy is Kenyan girl. They gave me genuine reasons why I should come here.
You drink on level of
I'm drinking. I'm going to stop today.
This morning.
Yes, this morning. I'm not going to drink. Like on a serious note. Like seriously. I'm not going to be drinking.
I won't follow you with my camera.
I'm not going to be drinking because I've been drinking all through the day. I drink day in, day out.
So you're just going to officially stop drinking. No more drinking.
No more drinking. Unless they invite me out, then I can drink.
No, I don't drink.
No, I'm not going to. I've been drinking day in, day out.
But no,
I drink from morning to night.
You don't drink soda now only.
Water. I don't like soda. I don't like soda, but I'm not going to be drinking.
You are not
Seriously, I'm not going to be drinking. On a serious note, I'm going to be a good boy.
Humble.
From heart, humble.
Remember, they came down when we Bible. I'm not changing you to them.
They gave me 10 reasons why Anderson should be a good boy.
Give us one reason.
One reason. Okay, they told me we are targeting those young kids of which we already have the audience. Those are South African and Kenyan people. They're like, now, the people who have money, the people who could sponsor, the people who could invite you and they invest so much money. They're the old people. And the old people, when you have the crazy hair, you're done, they're like,